Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into tech that helps boost productivity while providing an exceptional reading experience, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about the Bigme inkNote Color Lite, an advanced ePaper tablet that's making waves. Let's dive into what makes this device stand out. The Bigme inkNote Color Lite features a large 10.3-inch ink screen with a sharp 2480 by 1860 resolution, perfect for long reading sessions without eye strain. The device is powered by Kaleido 3 color technology, which improves color performance by up to 30%, making it more vibrant than previous models. This is ideal for viewing images, charts, and colorful notes. Equipped with a 2.3 GHz Octa-Core processor, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of storage, expandable to 1 TB with a micro SD card, the Bigme inkNote Color Lite delivers smooth performance and plenty of room for all your files. Whether you're reading books, editing PDFs, or managing your notes, this tablet has the power to keep up. One of its standout features is xRapid refresh technology, which enables fast page turns and fluid interaction, making it feel more like paper than a screen. Plus, you can easily switch between different display modes, allowing you to customize your experience. The Meeting Records app is another useful addition. It allows you to transcribe voice to text, even offline, making it a valuable tool for meetings, lectures, or brainstorming sessions. And it comes with both a stylus and a protective case, so it's ready to use right out of the box. In summary, the Bigme inkNote Color Lite is more than just an e-reader. It's a full-featured digital tool for work, study, and creativity. Whether you're reading, writing, or taking notes, this device has the power and versatility you need. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews. Let us know your thoughts on the Bigme inkNote Color Lite in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.